Now I will discuss about the order by clause. This is very important and always it is used in the query language. When you will work with the order by clause, what you will write? For example, select the column names from table name, order by column and ASC or DSC. You will have to use ASC or DSC. Order by is actually used to order by. For example, you will show all the data order by any column name, that can be in descending order or in ascending order. So for example, I am going to the example. Here you see that this is my table, right? So from here I want to show all the students, for example, order by first name. So what will be happen here? I am just going to write select all, then from students table, students, then simply order by. Okay, so simply write order by first name, then you will have to give ASC or DSC, ascending or descending order. So let's check it. I am going to get it into result, and the output I am going to show in the table format like this. So first name, last name, email and phone. So now if I go to run the query, you see that according to the first name, you see that the D is English alphabet first. So by the alphabet it is ordered: D, then J, then R, then after R, then S. Okay, so in this order, that means alphabetically it is ordered. And if I want to give here DESC, descending order, what will happen? Now refresh, you see that S now come first. So first S, then R, J, D. You can also order by the phone number or other information. If I give here order by ID, what will happen? So order by ID DESC, then you see that the table will come where ID equal to 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So in this order it will be shown. And you can use the where query with the order by, or you can use the order by with any other query also. But in that case, order by you will have to last in the right. You can use the where ID greater than 4. That means where ID greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so the ID which is below 4, that means 1 2 3, that will not be shown. So I will get the ID 4 5 6 7, and that will be ordered. Okay, now let's check. You will see that 7 6 5 4, but the ID that is 1 2 3, that is skipped because I used a where query here. And here if I give the ASC, then it will be shown 4 5 6 7 ASC. So in this way you can use the order with other queries. So I hope you have understood about the order by in PHP.